The Rear Cross Traffic Alert function, or RCTA, that is available on select Toyota vehicles, warns drivers of oncoming cross traffic, helping them avoid unexpected collisions when backing up. RCTA is part of a safety system that also includes the blind spot monitor, both of which use the same radar sensors located inside the left and right sides of the rear bumper to detect vehicles within the monitored areas. Both features can be turned on or off using a common switch labeled BSM on the instrument panel. When turned on, the Rear Cross Traffic Alert function is operational when the vehicle is in reverse with a speed of less than approximately 8 km per hour and a vehicle larger than a 125cc motorbike is approaching within the monitored area at a speed between approximately 8 and 28 km per hour. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert function detects vehicles approaching laterally from the right rear or left rear of the vehicle and advises the driver accordingly if it judges that another vehicle may intersect with its own path. It does so by flashing the outside rear view mirror blind spot monitor indicator lights and simultaneously sounding a buzzer mounted in the rear cabin space. To give the driver more time to react, the buzzer can alert for faster moving vehicles from farther away. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert function will not react to vehicles or objects that are stationary within the approach zone or to vehicles that are moving away. For the Rear Cross Traffic Alert function to operate normally, the sensors in the rear bumper must be kept clean and clear of any obstructions at all times. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert function is only an assist and is not a replacement for careful driving. In some conditions, which include inclement weather, the size of the adjacent vehicle, and the speed at which that vehicle is approaching, the system may not function correctly. Therefore, the driver is solely responsible for safe driving at all times. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. See your owner's manual for details. Thank you for watching this Know Your Toyota video.